Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to batch edit leads to streamline your CRM workflow. So let's dive right in. First, go to your lead list. So from the performance dashboard on the left-hand side, click the lead list icon. To select the leads you want to modify, click the small checkbox to the left of each name. If you want to batch edit multiple leads at once, you can click the top checkbox to select all of them. Or if you prefer to be more selective, uncheck the top box and pick the specific leads instead. In this example, I'm going to choose Dana, John, Cameron, Gary, and Nicholas. And once you've selected your leads, click the button at the top of the field that says Edit X Leads. Now in this case, the X reflects the number of leads you pick. So it could say 1, 50, 30, or even 200 depending on your selection. Now clicking that button is going to open up a menu with several options. And you can add tags, remove tags, update the pipeline stage, add leads to a campaign, or even export them to a CSV. In this case, let's say you met these contacts at a military networking event over the weekend, added them to your database, and now you want to tag them as military for targeted outreach. So go ahead and look for the military tag. If you don't see it right away, scroll down until it appears, and once you find it, select it. Now click Save. To target these leads later, you can filter your list by the new tag. So I'm going to unselect the current leads and apply this filter. And there you have it. Your 5 tag leads are ready to go. Batch editing makes it easier and more efficient to manage your leads, and hopefully this walkthrough helps you maximize your workflow. If you have more questions about the system, feel free to explore our knowledge base at help.agentelite.com. Thanks for joining me today.